Right, we're ready to sort our shepherd's pie out, get it, the mashed potato on top, get it in the oven, get it baked. Everything's fairly hot, so it won't take as long to cook. So as we're not going from cold, it's probably only going to take 15 minutes or so. Normally, if I'm doing a shepherd's pie, anything which I'm going to bake with potato in, like a mash, I'd normally do one or two things. I'd normally put egg yolks in it, and the reason is it enriches the mash, but it also helps to give it a bit of a textured finish and almost like a crispy top. It's not crispy, but it does improve the colour, and it does improve just that texture of the top. And the other thing I would normally do with this is put some Parmesan cheese in the mash. However, my daughter doesn't like it, and she whinges if it's not bog standard. So here we are. So let's a lot easier in a piping bag. You can dollop it on if you want to, but just for getting the bowl empty and getting it all sorted, I just find a piping bag kind of does the job. Man, it's dear me, there's plenty of mash in here, I tell you. Well, man, it is a full bag, so I won't need all of this. So whatever's left can just sit in this bag in the fridge, and well, once it's cool, of course, and then we can use that at a different time. So let's just pack what we can in there. Last few bits if we can. Might as well, if we're there, just saves it getting all clogged in the dishwasher. You can rinse it with this anyway, but there we go. Let's just get that in there, drop down, spun round. There we are. So all I'm going to do now, just going to trim the edge. I don't need a fancy nozzle. I'm not going to do a fancy finish on it. I'm just going to go around, either go up and down, or I'll just go side to side. And I'm just going to about 3/4 of an inch size nozzle, size thing. Yeah, don't get that in there. Don't want that. The whinge at Parmesan cheese. So imagine if he eats that, it'd be a proper whinge then, wouldn't it? Don't want that. My life's hard enough. Right, and all I'm going to do is, because this is nice and soft, is we're just going to just gently pipe it round. There we go. Would be better if I hadn't have done that, but shall continue on the line. There we go. Just gently pipe that round. Just a little bit of care. I'm deliberately leaving little holes between the rows, and the reason being is because as the bottom bubbles through, those little bits actually start to bubble through, and right clicking on. Would have been better with Parmesan for this. We just is what it is. Let's just tap that down. We don't want it looking like a Mr. Whippy, do we? We just need it to look like a good old, there we go. Now what I can do is I can put a bit of herb on the top, but I think I'll just leave that as it is. And when that comes out, it'll be looking golden on top and good to eat. So this is shepherd's pie. It's not shepherd's pie because shepherds have sheep. This is the cottage pie because it's got beef. That's how we know the difference, is shepherds have sheep. Yeah, never known shepherds have a herd of cows, so it's definitely cottage pie. So that's it. That's going to go in, oven's on, and we're done. That's you'll see that when it comes out. And in the meantime, I'm going to knock up some veg in the next 15 minutes. So I think we're going to have some steamed greens, so maybe some green beans. Maybe some peas, and maybe some carrots as well, like a medley of vegetables. That's what we're going to do. We're going to have a medley of vegetables with it. So in the meantime, that's going in. So when it comes out, we'll give you a shout, do the big reveal, and jobs are good, and we'll get our tea. So bye for now.